All right, here we are at Ken. We just did a 2-fan install on his Pergola. So we've got 2 TurboCool with turbulator, 24-inch white fans. We are located in Brandon right now. All right, so we did a clean install. He already had some lighting and stuff up here, but we get the power on the top. And then we ran all of our tubing down the back of these posts. We had to cross because it's all sealed pavers, so there's no way to move it. We did Tapcon this to the inside of this back upper step, which is also back here behind all of his stuff. This is his request. He does have a lot of cords from Christmas out here still, so please excuse the mess. And we are currently using a sub power until he gets this power upgraded. And we ran up the back of that one, and then the same as we did over there. And we ran all of our tubing. Here's our junction where our T is. And then we ran all of our tubing through a white conduit back here. And then back there is our pump behind this hedge. You can't even hear it. Filtration and pump is back there. And then he also has an issue with water. Can't get that hose off there without breaking that PVC, so he's going to take care of that. For now, we did a add-on junction to this Y spigot, and we added a Y so he can still use the other side. And then that is our hose, which is, it looks a little long, but that's only so that it can make it to there when the system is up and running properly. All right, and that is our install.